So firstly, we have to collect the system requirement. For example, we have to build several floors in the parking lot, and also each floors have the multiple entry and exit points, and the customers can get the tickets at the entry points and able to pay the money at the exit points. And also the customers can pay the tickets at the automatic exit panel or to the parking attendant. And also you can pay by cash or credit card. And also you can pay your money at the customer service on each floor. So on each floor, it has many parking spots which can support a compact car, large car, motorcycle, and even trucks sometimes. And also the parking spot can support electric cars like the Tesla. They should have an electric panel for charging the car. And also, when you enter into the floor, you can see a display board can showing how many parking spots left for specific cars, like how many spots for the Tesla, how many spots left for the motorcycle, etc. The system can support a different kind of type of cars, like truck, van, motorcycle, etc. And also, the system can support the per hour parking fee model, like how you charge the customer. Maybe the 1 hour is $5, second hour is $4, and the third and fourth hour is $3, and after that is free for today. Okay, and then the system also will not allow more vehicles than the maximum capacity. For example, if the parking lot is already full, so the system will prevent the future customer to register or to enter the parking lot. So before we jump into the case diagram, we need to study some terms. So what's the meaning of admin? So the admin is the people who can add or modify the number of floors, the number of parking spot, or the place, or how many entry points, how many exit point, how many display board we have. The customer is the one who paid the money. The customer is the one who used the parking lot. Okay, so the parking attendant, for example, you drive your car and then you have your friends or your family in your car. Your family can take the tickets on behalf of you. Your family can pay the tickets on behalf of you. So they are the parking attendant. And then the system is to display the message to assign or remove your car or any car from a specific parking. So now we can discuss some scenarios. So the admin can add, remove, edit the parking floors, right? And also can add, remove, edit parking spots besides the floors. And also the admin can add or remove the parking attendant. Okay, so the customers can take the tickets when they enter the parking spot. Parking lot. And also when they want to go out, they need to pay the money, and then the customer has to scan the tickets, and they can pay the credit card, right? He can pay the credit card with credit card, cash, or Apple Pay, or even maybe Venmo, right? I don't know. So also support a cash payment, and also we can modify the parking rate. For example, maybe today we have game and a football game, and then maybe the parking lot want to raise the money. Raise the fee from $5 per hour to $10 per hour. Yeah. Okay, so now let's dive into the case diagram. Here we can see the admin. So the admin can add parking floor, add the parking spot, add parking attendant, modify the rate, and add the entrance exit panel. And also in each parking floor, maybe we can have the display board can show you how many cars we have in this floor and how much a parking spot for specific cars. And also for the parking spot, maybe we can add the electric panel for the electric car to charge, and or maybe they can also use the panel to pay the money here. And after that, we see the parking attendant. The parking attendant can view account, update account, login, logout, and cash payment. And some parking attendant can be the customer. So the customer is the people who take the tickets, scan tickets, pay the tickets, and using the credit card payment or the cash payment, etc. And after that, here's the system. So the system can help you to assign the parking spot can remove a vehicle from a parking spot, and also show the parking status is full, and also how many spots left for specific cars. Alright, so we have the parking lot class, which has name and address property. And we have the many floors in the parking lot. And for each parking lot, we support different kind of parking lot, such as a handicapped, compact car, large car, motorcycle, and electric. And also, we have two kinds of account. One kind is for admin, and another kind is for the parking attendant. So we also have the parking tickets class. So the tickets will include parking tickets. The customers can take a tickets when they enter in the parking lot. So the system will support different kind of vehicles like cars, motorcycle, electric cars, vans, and even trucks, right? So the payment class can support you pay cash, credit card, Apple Pay, and even Venmo, right? And the parking rate. So the parking rate is to define the price in different date, different hours. And we have entrance panel and exit panel. And we also have parking display board to show you the latest available spots for different spot type. We also have the parking attendant portal. This class includes all the method, including the scanning tickets, do the payment, etc. And also we have the customer info portal class, and this class is for the customer to pay, and the system will be updated once the payment finished. And then lastly, we have the electric panel. So this is for the electric vehicle to do the payment, or they can charge their car in their parking spot. Okay, so now this is the real class diagram. So here you can see we have the parking spot type like handicapped, compact, large, motorcycle, electric, and also we have the vehicle type, the car, truck, electric, vans, and parking ticket status, account status, location status, and person, etc. Then how can we connect them together? For example, firstly, we will have the parking lot. So this is almost a central class, and all the classes have to connect with this class. So the parking lot, firstly, we have the price, right? When you park the car, how much you have to pay for the parking spot, and how many hours you're permitted to park. And each parking lot, we have the entrance panel, exit panel, all right? And also each parking lot, we have many parking floors, and each parking floors we will possibly have the parking display board, and the display board will show how many spots for the compact car, large car, handicapped free spot, etc. For each parking floor, we have different kind of parking spot. They have the numbers, free, or the type. For example, the parking spot can be these 5 kinds, and motorcycle, large car, compact car, etc. And for each parking spot, we will allow the vehicles to park, right? The vehicles itself also. So the vehicle here is an abstract class. So for example, in Java, this is an abstract, and then we have the car, truck, electric, van, and motorcycle to extend the abstract class to be the concrete class. And also you can see here we have the electric panel for the electric spot. When you drive the Tesla, I mean electric car, and then you want to charge your car at this spot, and also you can do the payment at this panel as well. So that's the reason we can connect this to the payment here. And after that, we also have to design the parking attendant portal. So this will allow the attendant to scan the tickets, process the payment, and then the customer info portal will allow you scan the ticket as well, process the payment as well, and after that, we have to connect all the information to do the payment for the parking tickets. So the tickets will collect all the information like the date and the time and the amount of money you have to pay, right? And also the status, did you pay or not, right? And here we have the admin and also the parking attendant. So the admin can help to create an account for you, or can show that your account is a invalid account, or is not valid account, and the parking attendant can process the tickets here. And for the payment part, we can use the credit card transaction to do the payment, and also we can use the cash to do the payment. Here are the steps for the customers to pay the tickets. Firstly, the customer will insert the parking tickets in the exit panel. And the system can scan the parking tickets and fetch the tickets details, like how long have you parked here and what kind of parking spot you got. And see if the ticket is already paid. If yes, of course, you don't need to pay again. So you go down and you can directly let the system send you the signal to open the parking gate. Then you can go. And if not, if you didn't pay yet, so the system will calculate the total parking money, and the system will show the total parking fee on the display panel and ask the credit card details. And after that, the customer will insert the credit card, and then the system will read the credit card. And if the system read the credit card and details and process the payment, if the payment is successful, for example, you have enough money on your credit card, and there's no out purpose on your credit card, and then you can just yes, the system show that the payment finished, and then the system will print the receipt, and if the system is printed receipt, and then the system will will ask you to print receipt or not. If yes, then the system will print a receipt. If not, the system will just open the gate to let you go. Okay, if the payment is not successful, for example, your credit card was freeze, and then the system will show the errors, and then will ask you, can you try again, right? So in this way, you are going to go to this step again. If you choose not to try again, like you don't have other credit card to pay, and then you will choose no, and then the system will lead you to complete the transaction without payment, and of course the system will not open the gate for you to go. So this is the code for the vehicle type, parking spot type, account status, address, and person, and account classes. I mean, this account is an abstract, and then the admin will extend this abstract class, and then also they have to implement the reset password, and so the class didn't finish all the functions here. Abstract class. So this is a class that can be extended by other classes, like the handicap spot will extend this class, and also the compass spot. This one will also extend the parking spot. So the parking spot is kind of like a higher level description of the general parking spot information. Yeah, and all the other classes like electric spot and motorcycle spot, or will extend that. And other than that, we also have the abstract class for the vehicles. So we have all the vehicles, but the vehicles will have certain common places, like they can assign the tickets, etc., and the type. And so the car will extend the vehicle, van will extend the vehicle, truck. So this is the parking floor code. So we have those variables, and we can update the name of the parking floor and add the parking spot. Also, we can assign the vehicle to the spot. And also, we can update the display board information. Update the information for the compact spot. This is how to calculate the free spot. And also, we have the parking display board class. So this class will include different kind of spot information. Then also we can show the empty spot numbers for each type of spot. So this is the code for a parking lot. So we have these variables like max compact count, parking floors, etc., and entrance panels, active tickets, etc. And we have different methods to run this function. Like we also need to synchronize parking tickets to allow different multiple entries at the same time, and also we have to check if it is full, and also how to increment the spot count, etc. Okay, that's it. So I hope you guys can learn something from this parking lot design, especially for the case diagram and also the activity diagram, and also how to design the classes. For example, how to create an abstract class and how to use other classes to extend this abstract class. So next time I try to explain another old design about online shopping website. So I will see you next time.